Joining me now are Palmer Square Chairman and CEO Chris Long and Chief Investment Officer Angie Long, who just rang the opening bell. You're fresh off of the bell podium. Talk to me about how you're feeling being back here at the exchange to kick off these two new ETFs.
Oh, this is surreal. I mean, never, growing up in Hazleton, Pennsylvania, I think this little boy would be here celebrating among such history and with our team at Palmer Square. It's so special.
Angie, how are you feeling right now in this moment?
It's so exciting. It never gets old. I mean, it's just amazing to be here, the energy on the floor, and it's incredible.
And Chris, why would you say now is the right time to launch these two new ETFs? Why is now so important to the overall business strategy?
Demand. Our existing client base has been clamoring for the ETF wrapper and getting access to that for their clients. So we wanted to bring that forth and be a solutions provider. And then the reality is so many more investors now are using ETFs as part of their natural.
And Angie, what would you say sets these ETFs apart from competitors or anything else that's out there on the market?
Definitely. I mean, I think we offer something really special and unique. Palmer Square's ability to opportunistically invest across the credit markets. I think that is what we are excellent at. And now we're able to offer that to the market in an ETF fashion.
And, Chris, one of the things that obviously could impact CLOs is the Fed decision, interest rates. Talk to me more about that, how you're positioning yourself in this way to make sure that you could withstand these headwinds.
Well, absolutely. Well, actually, with the Fed reducing rates, which we believe is going to happen, you actually see reduced borrowing costs for the companies we invest in. So that's a positive. And in addition to that, you're likely to see a lot more merger and acquisition activity, which is also a positive because it just gives us more options to choose from when we're thinking about investing.
Angie, what would you say comes to mind for you when it comes to minimizing and mitigating investor risk?
That's forefront in absolutely everything that we do, from the asset classes we're choosing to be investing in, the companies that we are investing in. I think risk management is the thing that has set Palmer Square apart for 15 years.
And we would be remiss if we didn't talk about another business venture that both of you are a part of, your ownership stake in the National Women's Soccer League's Kansas City Current, which you co-own with NFL superstar quarterback, obviously, Patrick Mahomes and Brittany Mahomes. So tell me more about this venture. Chris, we'll start with you.
Oh, I mean, it's something we're super passionate about sports. We absolutely are massive supporters of women's sports in particular, and we really saw an opportunity to create a blueprint for everyone globally to see what it is to create a profitable, successful enterprise like the Kansas City Current.
Amazing. Angie, do you want to add to that?
Just say, what it means for female athletes and fans of female athletes is incredible. It's giving a completely new target to aim at. The bar has been raised, and everyone loves watching women's sports, and we're so excited to have created an environment where it's the best atmosphere in town.
And, I do want to ask you one more question. How is it like working with, your husband and wife duo, dynamic duo, powerhouse couple? How is it like working together?
Oh gosh, it's magical. I mean, I trust Angie implicitly. She's one of the smartest people on the planet. We both understand the mission and the philosophy and where we're going and what we're trying to impact. So it's really been one of the biggest joys of our journey together in life.
Amazing. And Angie?
So, we're partners, and that's been amazing. And like any good partnership, we each have our strengths, our competitive advantages, and when you trust your partner implicitly, you can really build things twice as fast.
Amazing. So you're partners in every way of the word. Well, thank you so much for joining me, to you both, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.